Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to tie this gele for you guys. I've been wanting to tie this gele for a while now and haven't had the time, but today I did it. So this is the zigzag round gele. So we're going to do a zigzag at the front and then we're going to do round, but this gele is not so long, so because of that I am going to use pins to kind of like secure the gele. I'm not going to tie it because it isn't long. But if you have a longer gele and you want to you want to do this style, you can go ahead and tie it at the back. But if you watch this video, you're going to see that I used pin to secure the gele. Okay, so now I am going to start the zigzag. Before you start the zigzag, you have to create like a V shape at the front. So you take one to the back and the other side, through the top, and then you bring it forward and then you do your zigzag. So just keep watching, guys. As you can see, I've started doing the zigzag. So guys, this style is really tricky. If you don't pay attention to how I create a zigzag, you might not get it. So just watch carefully and intently if you really want to know how to tie this zigzag gele. Okay, so guys, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, my name is Tonia King. I am all about beauty and lifestyle in general. So do like this video if it's helpful to you in any way. I know it's going to be helpful to you. And also, put down the comments. All right, let me know your thoughts, and also do share it. Okay, so guys, keep watching. Mind you, the measurement of this gele is 70-30. So the 30 part of it is what comes in front and does the zigzag or the V shape at the beginning, and then the 70 is what goes round it to create the round pleats. Okay, so guys, do not forget to like this video, support your girl by liking this video, okay, so that those that are interested in this kind of videos will get to see it. The more you like my videos, the more they can find this video. Okay, so do like it. All right, and also subscribe if you're watching and you haven't. Please do subscribe. Thank you. So now I'm securing the gele with pins so that it doesn't unravel. Yes, as you can see, you have to carefully put the pins. But if your gele is long, you can just tell your model to hold it at the back, or your clients, you can tell your clients to just help you hold the gele while you do the rest, or you can go ahead and pin it even if it's long, and after you are done you can just remove the pins and tie it. Okay, just so that your gele is properly secured. Yeah, so now I'm going to take the longer part across the zigzag so I can create my round pleats. So now I am going to carefully create my pleats, one after the other. You know, don't be in a haste to create your pleats. If you're going to create your pleats this way, you have to do it carefully so that all the pleats, you know, is properly arranged and down to the bottom. Guys, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like the video, do not forget to share and also comment down below. Okay guys, support your girl. Thank you. So now guys, I'm going to carefully take this plate down and pin it. Like I said, the gele is not as long, so I'm going to use pins to secure it down there at the back. As you can see, I'm still arranging the pleats because I want it to look almost perfect. Guys, you know the beauty in pleats is that it is carefully arranged neatly, so that's why I'm taking my time arranging the pleats. So guys, that's just about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So now I'm just gonna do the final touching, and I'm going to push the gilly backwards. So like I said, guys, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and do comment. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you learned something today. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye bye.